Hey guys, this is Captain Frugal reporting for duty. Not too long ago, I got some lithium batteries here for a camera, and unfortunately, not all of them worked. And I thought, man, I don't want to go out and buy some expensive batteries. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I sort of rebooted and fixed these lithium batteries to make sure that they'll still work. Now, I will say this works pretty much for any kind. These are the tools I used here, so nothing super expensive. You can get a meter like this from something like a Harbor Freight or something that for really, really cheap, just to test it out and things. And you see here, I've got this 9-volt battery as well as a couple wires. That's all I really need to fix this. Maybe a screwdriver and a small little hammer too as well. So I'm going to jump into show you what's going on here and how to fix this. I do apologize a little bit here for some of the blurry footage in this video. I'm learning how to use this new camera. I should have took a little bit more time. But see here this battery, see at the bottom there on that charge indicator showing that it's charging properly. This is what should be happening. Now here I have the other battery. The battery doesn't work, the one I need to fix. So I'm going to put this in here so you're going to see what it shows on the charge meter there. And you're going to notice when I put it in, there is no charge at all. Look, it is showing it is dead. So if you find you have one like this, it might be able to be fixed. Now make sure you're very careful because you don't want to overpower and have any fires or anything. Hey, this is do it at your own risk. But I figured out, I should be able to jump start this battery. So I'm going to pull this out and I'm going to jump start it and fix it. Alright, now I got the idea for this video because I seen another video on how to rejuvenate batteries, lithium batteries, but for like a cordless drill. I thought, why not do that with these kind of batteries? So this is the same battery I just took off, and just so you, off the charger, as you've seen, it didn't work. So I'm going to use my voltmeter to show this. Okay, here we go, my digital multimeter, I should call it. There we go. Okay, look at that. There we go. Make sure it's on. Nothing at all. See? Nothing. Now, you might be going, well, what if my battery, let me get that here, it's like this, and it doesn't have both showing? Well, I found you could do that too. What you do is, what I recommend is just taking like a screwdriver, a very small one, and taking a light hammer and just tapping it here, 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 and here, and maybe on the bottom. And this should open up, and it'll look like AA batteries, but they're the lithium batteries, and you'll do this the same way, but with each individual battery. So anyway, once again, using my meter gauge, I've got nothing. See, showing 0. And if that happens, your charger's probably not going to charge it. So what I just do is I took this little fun thing here, okay? And I got 2 exposed wires, and this I can hook right to like a 9-volt battery. You can do this with any kind of battery as long as you make sure you get your positives and negatives. Okay, here we go. So I connect it onto my battery. Some people might want to use a magnet or something, and I'm going to hold one end on each one here. Okay, see, there's on the negative, there's the positive. I'm just going to count to like 20 maybe. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000 more. Alright, so I've held this here for a while, okay? Once again, you're seeing everything here just as it is. I'm not doing any trickery, okay? So I've held this on here for not very long. Now this won't last forever, so bear with me. Now I'm going to put the connectors on to watch what the meter shows. Look at the meter. There we go. See, look at that meter showing. There we go. Put it on the right way. Make sure I get the positive and negative. So notice now I've got a readout on here that's much higher. Now that's going to show that this has actually got some juice in it now, just a little bit. Now that won't last a real long time. So now I'm going to put it on the charger, and you're going to see that now that it's on the charger, it should pick it up as an okay battery and charge it. So let's do that next. All right, so now I've got my battery, and here's the same tester, same battery. I remember I just put the battery on to give it a little jump start. I'm going to put this in here. See what that does? And look, now we've got a flash. That means it is charging. When it was showing nothing, it couldn't. It was reading the battery had an error. Now this won't solve every battery. Some batteries, maybe if they were dead for so long, they won't rejuvenate. They might have actually something bad in it. But I found that this works out really, really well to save. So if you put one in it, it won't charge. A lot of only like cameras and things have this issue I found out. You should be able to do this and jumpstart that battery. Now once again, you might have to open the battery up and do each lithium battery individually, but this tended to work really, really good, and it'll save you a lot of money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it worked for you. If you tried it, let me know down below in the comments. I would really like to see what your thoughts were. Super simple fix, should be really cheap. So once again, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, and until next time, keep it frugal.